CNC machined aluminum axles from Amazon. Should you buy them? Are they worth it? Let's find out. I do have these axles on this vehicle right here, this Cherokee. You may have seen it in previous videos. I'll start off with saying I've had these axles for over a month now. I bought them shortly after I broke the stock axles on this SCX10. All I did when I first got them was Loctite them and grease them. You'll find that in the many reviews on these axles. What are some pros and cons of the RZXYL aluminum CNC machined axles? So some of the cons. One con would be you can get it to turn too sharp depending on how you set it up, and that will cause the axle to snap. The axle shafts on the front, that is. I have had this happen one time. It was a very easy fix. I fixed it with the stock axle shaft from my SCX10. The differentials sit quite low, and that makes this vehicle very prone to hitting rocks and getting stuck in mud. So those are my only two cons. And now for some pros. The pros being these axles are durable. I've been bashing on these axles every single day for the last month. I've had one problem previously mentioned. Everything else has been absolutely fantastic. These axles are quite heavy, so they do help with hill climbs. I like a heavier vehicle, especially being down low. It does side hill better, but this vehicle isn't that great at side hilling anyways. I've gone to crawler competitions, and even though my wheels are quite small and having giant differentials that like to hit everything, I've competed against some trucks that people have spent much more money on and have done quite well. If you read the Amazon reviews, you'll know to add grease to the differentials and Loctite everything. Other than that, you will have almost no problems. Maybe, depending on how you set it up, you'll break an axle shaft. These axles are very easy to set up. I did have to convert from a 3-link in the front to a 4-link, but I wanted to do that anyways. So for $80 shipped, are these worth it? Most definitely. Especially if you're building a crawler that's gonna have big 2.2 tires, I highly recommend these axles. For the price, you really can't go wrong. You'll do little to no maintenance on them, and they will last a very long time. One more thing I'd like to note about these axles is that the Amazon page shows it comes with stainless steel hardware. I can confirm mine did not come with stainless steel hardware, rather it came with regular steel hardware. If you run your vehicle through a lot of water, I would recommend replacing with stainless steel hardware. You'll have a much easier time getting these bolts out if you have to service these axles at any point in the future. Thanks for checking out my channel, guys. If you like this video, please leave a like on it. If you want to check out some more RC videos, I have a couple up on the channel right now and more to come very soon. If you'd like to see more, subscribe, and if there's anything you'd like to see, leave it in the comments below. Thank you and have a good one.